What if I told you that floating invisibly around you right now are some of Earth's most intricate and beautiful architectural masterpieces? Welcome to the microscopic world of pollen, where every grain is a tiny work of art. Found across every continent except Antarctica, pollen grains are produced by flowering plants, trees, and grasses worldwide. Under a microscope, these microscopic marvels reveal themselves as stunning geometric sculptures. Some look like spiky sea urchins, others resemble intricate lacework or miniature soccer balls with perfectly symmetrical patterns. Each pollen grain is essentially a plant's male reproductive cell, encased in a protective wall called the exon. This outer shell is incredibly durable, surviving for millions of years in fossil records. The surface patterns aren't just beautiful, they're functional. Spikes help pollen stick to pollinators, while smooth surfaces allow wind dispersal. A single oak tree releases over 10 million pollen grains annually. One ragweed plant can produce 1 billion grains in a season. These tiny travelers can journey thousands of miles on air currents, carrying the genetic blueprint for new plant life. Pollen enables the reproduction of 80% of flowering plants, making it essential for food production and ecosystem survival. Scientists study ancient pollen to understand climate change and reconstruct past environments. Next time you see dust dancing in sunlight, remember you're witnessing one of nature's most vital and beautiful processes unfolding.